excited right now. I'm gonna see the world's most interesting place, which is the public washing area. It's the world's biggest, so I'm really curious about it and I'm really close to it now. Let's check it out, how they're washing the clothes, how do they work. I'm gonna try to show you everything. Let's have a look. Right behind me there is Dhobi Ghat. They collect the clothes from the customers every morning and then they start washing here. After they wash, they're hanging the clothes here for dry.
Here only men, not women. All Bombay clothes here washing. Hotel, hospital, factory, all Bombay.
Hotel, hospital, factory.
Uniform all Bombay. The very big area. One day washing, 5 rupees, the one piece wash here.
5 rupees for one piece.
Yeah. All of house here, Dhobi family. Here,
How many people working?
5,000.
5,000.
The white clothes, the hotel.
The hotel.
Yeah, every day wash here, Sunday, Monday, every day, not holiday.
Thank you very much for the information. What's your name?
Normal.
Komal. Thank you. Okay, I'm walking into the Dhobi Ghat now. Namaste.
Namaste. I have to talk.
So big in here. So crowded. It's like 5,000 people working here.
This for the one cubicle is the one cubicle only for hand washing here.
Hand washing, yeah.
This for the electric washing machine using
Yeah,
here,
we,
this for the hand washing.
yeah, he told. Such an interesting place. This is one of the most interesting places I have ever been. These guys like washing 400, 500 clothes in a day.
This for the hand washing, this very hard working for the people working here. This for the one cubicle is the one cubicle only for hand washing here. This government is a place for the monthly the tax for the government. This one cubicle is this one divided by home. This living here, this for the working here. This water supply for the cubicle is the hand washing here. This very hard working for the hand washing here. This for the rope is the clip to the hanger. This no clip, only for rope. See look.
Yes. Wow.
This for the local area, washing here. This for the local area, only for local area. Hospital clothes, hospital garment, local area.
This is dirty, right? These are.
Yeah, this for the dirty inside this very hard is the chemical is that hand washing this very clean for you. This all Mumbai clothes inside the Dhobi Ghat they are washing here. Hospitals, railway, hotel, garment, local area. This new clothes. Is the new clothes is the branded is the washing here. New clothes is also. उधर नया कपड़ा. Come this way, new clothes.
Can we see inside?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can we see?
Looking come.
Yeah.
Washing with the hands.
Sorry?
You can see washing it with the hands. They don't have machine, they are washing with the hands.
How many clothes is washing in a day?
Oh, one time only 3, 4 clothes twice.
In one time. But in a day, during the day, 200, 300, one person. Namaste. Namaste.
See, this for the hospital is the railway, is the Indian railway, is the clothes inside the washing here.
Okay.
This is the railway, this is the no rope. This for the rope is the no clip. This is the rope. See for the hanger, see for the clip is the hanging.
Okay. Yeah.
See, this very hard is the chemical is the hand washing here.
Okay.
This very hard is the chemical mix for the water supply for the government.
Yeah.
This water supply very clean for the hand washing here.
Nice.
Come this way. This for the all Mumbai is the blues is the inside the washing. This clothes is a tour for you.
Yeah.
Come this way.
Namaste. You're sweet.
This for the houses here. घर पे कोई नहीं ना वो. For this for the houses here. Is the house is only
okay.
for living here.
She doesn't know.
What is the big home is the inside is the living here.
Can I look?
Yeah. This for the houses here. Is the house is only for living here. This for the houses here. Is the house is only for living here. This for the houses here. Is the house is only for living here. This for the houses here. Is the house is only for living here. This for the houses here. Is the house is only for living here. This for the houses here. Is the house is only for living here. This for the houses here. Is the house is only for living here. This for the houses here. Is the house is only for living here. This for the houses here. Is the house is only for living here. This for the houses here. Is the house is only for living here. This for the houses here. Is the house is only for living here. This for the houses here. Is the house is only for living here. This for the houses here. Is the house is only for living here. This for the houses here. Is the house is only for living here. This for the houses here. Is the house is only for living here. This for the houses here. Is the ho No problem. This for the my friend is a houses here.
Oh, your friend was living here.
Yeah.
They live here, and then after they woke up, they washed the clothes here.
This for the new clothes is the new clothes only for garment. Is the new clothes is the garment washing here. This for the washing here. This first time is the washing here. This for the package is the delivery is the factory. The factory is the divided by the import export. Is the other country is the import export for you.
These are imported.
Yeah.
Hey, he's having shower there.
Go go go. You know what?
Okay. I don't know if it's safe.
This for the big is the baby inside is the washing for you.
Yeah.
See this for the rope. She is looking for you. This is the rope is the clips only.
Oh, that's it.
No clips, only for rope inside. This for the all Mumbai clothes inside is the washing here. This for the British government is the start for the washing. This for the 90-20 for the start here. Is the 100 year is the continue for you.
Okay. Hello, how are you? Namaste.
Hi.
This area, this is Dhobi Ghat, and this is the pressing area where you see people are pressing over there.
Oh,
If you
pressing.
go straight,
Yeah.
on the right side, they are pressing clothes
Yeah.
with the charcoal. So you see there.
Okay, thank you.
This is a boiling area.
Yeah.
This is sterilizing.
This is sterilizing.
So when the clothes come from the hospital,
When the clothes come from the hospital,
they get it boiled over here
they
so that
get
the
it boiled
germs
here.
are killed.
Yeah,
So that the germs are killed,
that the germs are killed,
and then
and then
this is gone. The clothes are dried, and then they are actually washed.
washed.
So it's
They
like
are
sterilized here.
They are
Yes,
dry,
It is
It is-
sterilizing.
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 Don't be shy, man. You speak so well.
हाँ देखा क्या
You're
बोल
doing
रहा?
good.
क्या बोल रहा कि एक नंबर बोल रहा है एकदम अच्छे से बोल शर्मा मत
And what's your name?
नाम क्या है तेरा
Zidane. Zidane.
Zidane. Like
Z-I-D-A-N.
Zinedine Zidane, yeah?
ZDDAN correct
Electric iron.
Electric iron. Okay. In a one day, he does that.
Yes.
Wow. Wow. 500 and 600 clothes
और
he's
लोगों को कितना
ironing.
मिलता है
One cloth having 7 rupees.
7 rupees. Just one cloth ironing.
so this whole street is actually ironing so there are people sleeping over there even over here
Yeah.
so because they would have done in the morning
Yeah.
that's why they are not doing right now because lunchtime
Okay.
only few people are there otherwise this whole lane is ironing
Wow.
so the whole lane you see people see the lady over there she's
I
also
see.
ironing
Yeah.
Either
Don't
way.
be shy. It's not my native language also. So you can speak without grammar and anything, okay? Just
grammar mistake है तो
feel free. Where is next? Oh.
Heavy.
Yeah, it is.
4-5 kilos.
4 or 5 kilos. Thank you.
Electric washing machine.
Electric washing machine.
One time he take clothes 500.
500 clothes
Yeah.
inside. Wow.
This is
It's quite small. Small one.
Even though straight now, there will be big one.
Okay. How many?
1,000 clothes.
1,000 clothes. Washing.
Only electrician dryer.
Dryer.
300, 400 clothes. Inside.
Or if you pay
Ah.
better, you can get your clothes washed inside. Okay. Right. Bon appetit, sir.
Iron area.
Iron area. Okay. And here?
This is not electric. This is
It's not electric.
Coil.
Coal.
Coil. Charcoal.
Charcoal. Okay, there's charcoal inside.
Not of electricity.
No electricity. Okay. Chemical for new clothes.
It's new clothes. The chemical for the name is the softener.
Softener.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you have seen all Dhobi Ghat. Done. Thank you so much for your help. I really appreciate it. If someone comes, just tell them to find you here.
Yes.
Okay? Great. Before I say goodbye to Dhobi Ghat, it was such a nice experience down there. I haven't seen something like that before. I like that. Don't leave Mumbai before you see in Dhobi Ghat.